10-4. Copy that. On highway patrol looking for lawbreakers. You're kidding me. Not on my watch, sweetheart. We got a 1080 in
behind the unit.
Copy that. I'll re-engage pursuit when suspect reappears. 10:43, I'm back in pursuit. Found her. 10-4. Ready to apprehend suspect. She's out of fuel. 10-4. Gotcha, Misty Rose. You crazy woman. Hop in the back and we can sort this out.
Oh, I'll try not to speed again.
To serve and protect. It's all in the name of duty. She's one crazy woman, but she finally ran out of fuel. Well, I was about to, but we came to an agreement on her speeding, and let's just say, mum's the word. Copy that. Oh, Misty, when I said hop in the back, I only wanted to write you a ticket.
Well, I'm glad we could come to an agreement on my speeding. Don't just stand there like a stunned mullet. What was I like?
Copy that. Well, Project 71, I better hit the road. Got more patrolling to do, but remember, mum's the word.